Well, here's a sneak peek of my moped. I've been working on this quite a while on and off. It's my dad's old chainsaw powerhead, 026 Stihl, and it's a aluminum framed Schwinn mountain bike that I was given. It was like somebody was trying to take the tires off without taking them off the bike or something. Here's the twist grip. Springs back pretty good. I had quite a time figuring that out. Here's the, let's see, let's look at it from this side. Here's the brake over center device I made. I was trying to figure out a way I could engage this without having to click it into something. And what I came up with is the Stihl motor, and a lot of this is scrap iron. This was part of an old pressure washer or something. That plate just happened to fit. And I had an old commercial door hinge. And so I put, because I wanted it, what I wanted was it to be, when you disengaged it, it was a completely 100% bicycle. Like you were just carrying the chainsaw on the back as a load. So I came up with this here brake over center device. Well, I'm jerking you around like crazy, I know, I'm sorry. This sets it down. So now she's engaged. And then this, when you bring this up, it brakes over center. I took quite a bit of learning to figure out, here's the center, and the more you get over center, the more brake over you got. I don't know if I got enough brake over yet. I put in a pin here as a stop. It looks kind of blurry in this camera. I don't know if it is or not. So that was that. And then the throttle, I don't know why, but I was trying to make the chainsaw, let's see if we can see it here. I just put a spring, I just JB welded a piece of plastic. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It broke, the first time it broke off right away. Second time, I think I drilled some little holes in it and gouged it up good and tried it again. It seems to be holding up so far. And then all I did was, around here, oops, around here, I took the clutch off. I didn't want no clutch on it because I thought, you know, a clutch taken off from a dead stop is gonna really get hot, and that's what everybody would wanna do. So instead of that, I took the clutch off. Let's see if you can see it here. And then I machined, I got a lathe here, and I machined a shaft to screw on to where the clutch screwed on. And I came out here with a little pillow block bearing, and I reverse threaded this here. It sure looks like it's blurry in this camera. I hope it's clear. I reverse threaded it, and I went on eBay and I bought all kinds of left-hand threads because I thought, oh, I need a 9/16, I need a 5/8, I'm gonna need a 3/4. Well, I think this is 3/4. And then I had this little pulley, and the only pulley I had that really matched it was this one right here. And this little motor's got lots of compression, man. See, I got it working pretty smooth though, see? I'm afraid this is gonna be blurry. So I got it lined up pretty good, I think. And so this is a 2-to-1 reduction right here. So this then 2 to 1. So if this can get up to, I don't know, 5 or 6,000 RPM, I don't know. Then it comes over and it spins just a simple jack shaft with a, I just got a 1 and, I think I got a 2 3/4, I think, aluminum wheel driver. And I reverse threaded this side over here. I bought threads to reverse thread this. And then this is right-hand thread. We had a lock nut on there, but I didn't get the threads quite turned deep enough, and the nut's real tight. I'm sure it's not coming off of there. And then it was kind of bouncy, you see. Let me disengage it, or engage it, whatever you call it. So when that comes down, now it's riding on the tire, you see. And I got this new thick slick. It's supposed to take 60 pounds. I thought I'd get like 60 pounds in it. I put a spring on here. It ain't doing much, but I think it doesn't really need a spring because I think there's plenty of force there. What it needs is a shock absorber. If I could rig up a little shock absorber on it, then it would, I think I could cut that bouncing out. But I do have this tire I was going to mount up here, this thick slick. It's pretty heavy in the middle. Seems to grip all right. There's a lot of overhang there. There's a lot of weight. There's a lot of weight on this pulley. That chainsaw is pretty heavy. Because I was trying to figure the overhang, how much, you know, because I could move this wheel, you know, the more it is this way, the more lever you got on it. More it is this way, you know, I could have put it back here maybe, and it might have been enough and kept some of that bouncing out. So that would be something that would be not real easy to do because you got to think about the pulley on this side. You just have to hang the whole thing out more. You could shorten it up some. You could probably bring it out to, you could probably move it ahead a good 2 inches. That might be what I'll even do. So there's my, yeah, and what I did here was I utilized the water bottle or the tire pump or whatever it's supposed to have on it. And then I got me a Harley Davidson, I think it's an intake clamp, I don't know. And I got that intake clamp around here. And I was going to put one on the other side, but I don't think it needs it. I drew some lines because I was going to cut it off and I was going to put one here. And it would be nice, and if I have it out of there, I'll probably do it, but it seems to be working pretty good, and believe it or not, that'd be quite a bit of work for me. Some people wouldn't even think about it, just do it. Okay, that's it.